Friends, today I'm going to speak to you on a very interesting topic called ancient magical flip words. My name is Dr. Sumit Sharma. I'm a chemical engineer by profession with a gold medal from Mumbai University and an MBA from the University of Illinois, USA, and a doctorate in NLP from the American Institute of Advanced Studies. I'm a certified teacher of Bhagavad Gita and Mantra Sadhana from the Chinmaya Mission. I'm trained under my guru Swami Subodhanandaji for 7 years and I have authored 15 books on spirituality, management, and healing sciences, all which are available on Amazon. Life is another word for problems. Are you tired of facing life challenges like money, health issues of self or family members, career and business problems? We sometimes don't know how to solve these problems, but the only permanent solution is to take divine help. So, friends, I'm conducting a 3 day workshop where I'm going to reveal the secrets of the secrets, which is called as Brahma Rahasya in Sanskrit, where I'm going to reveal ancient magical flip words which are hidden in the holy books since eons of time in the Gita, Bible, Koran, Vedas, and Hanuman Chalisa. These are powerful, extremely powerful words when chanted 51 times or more. They bring about instant change in energy from the negative to the positive. These words are in Sanskrit, Persian, Greek, Italian, and also in Urdu. So, what are you going to learn in these 3 days? You will learn ancient secret codes to solve karmic issues, business problems, legal cases, to neutralize enemies and black magic, health issues of self and family members, how to release stuck money, attract wealth and prosperity, marriage and relationship issues, manifesting your goals, sleep disorders, right decision making, and also childbearing, and much more. So, when is this workshop? This is a 100% online workshop from 1st of August to 3rd, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily with question and answers. So register on the razor tail link given below as only limited seats are available. Please also join my WhatsApp community whose link is also given below. So see you inside. Thank you very much.